Welcome to WK Auto Reviews, your ultimate destination for deep dives into the world of luxury and performance vehicles. We cut through the noise to bring you clear, comprehensive insights on the machines that move us. If that sounds like your kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new review. Today, we are taking an exclusive, detailed look at the magnificent 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. This is not just a vehicle. It is a statement, a rolling testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and engineering excellence in the world of luxury motor coaches. Let us explore what makes this machine so extraordinary. Starting with its commanding presence, the 2026 Liberty Coach is built upon the legendary Prevost chassis, renowned for its durability and superior ride quality. The exterior design is both sleek and assertive, featuring a full-body paint scheme that is nothing short of a moving work of art. Every curve and contour is meticulously designed not just for aesthetics but for optimal aerodynamics, ensuring stability even in challenging crosswinds. The full LED lighting system provides exceptional illumination and adds a modern, sophisticated flair to its imposing stance. Step through the door and you leave the ordinary world behind. The interior of the Liberty Coach is where the magic truly happens. It is a sanctuary of bespoke luxury, where no detail is too small and no comfort is overlooked. Imagine hand-stitched leather upholstery, exquisite exotic wood cabinetry, and polished granite countertops. The floor plan is a masterclass in spatial design, offering multiple elegant configurations that may include a spacious living area, a gourmet kitchen equipped with high-end appliances, a luxurious master suite, and even a dedicated office or entertainment space. The technological integration is seamless and sophisticated. A state-of-the-art climate control system ensures perfect temperature throughout the coach. An advanced multi-zone audio and visual system delivers a cinematic experience wherever you are. Comprehensive control systems, often managed via touchscreen panels or a smartphone app, allow you to command lighting, audio, video, and climate with a simple touch. For the driver, the cockpit is a wonder of modern technology, featuring intuitive displays, advanced navigation, and a suite of safety systems including collision avoidance, lane departure warnings, and a sophisticated rear vision camera system. Underneath this lavish exterior lies pure performance. The 2026 model is typically powered by a robust diesel engine, providing the immense torque and horsepower needed to move this grand residence on wheels with confidence. The engine is paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, making even long journeys effortless. The air ride suspension system is calibrated to absorb road imperfections, delivering a ride quality that is serene, quiet, and exceptionally smooth, isolating Aku from the outside world in a bubble of comfort. Specifications for the Liberty Coach are as impressive as its features. We are looking at significant length options, ample freshwater, gray water, and black water capacities for extended off-grid adventures, and a powerful diesel generator to ensure all systems operate flawlessly. The holding tanks for fuel and propane are substantial, designed for the long haul. It is a self-contained luxury apartment designed for freedom and exploration without compromise. In essence, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is more than transportation. It is the pinnacle of mobile luxury, a dream realized for those who refuse to choose between the comforts of home and the call of the open road. It represents a lifestyle of ultimate freedom and uncompromising elegance. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, we have plenty more incredible vehicles coming your way. From luxury motorhomes to hypercars and everything in between, WK Auto Reviews is here to fuel your passion. Show your support by subscribing to the channel. It is your support that helps us bring these reviews to you. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.